I had other options to leave the country, or even I was outside of the country, I was studying. But when I saw that something like this is happening to my country, so I decided to come back and help them, like be one of them. And they needed me. I thought they needed me, so I came back, be one of them. I might not do a lot for them, but I will do whatever I can.
Really, we learn from my father when he said to me, "Is nothing different between you and other Peshmerga." It mean I have to say nothing different between my son and other Peshmerga. This is my son, and this is my cousin. Both of them, they are with me in all the fighting, and that's why it's nothing different.
We are ready to die. No matter how long it takes, we're ready to serve.